I wanted to go ahead and upload this video just because it is a mobile that you could do for any holiday, or even for like a sun porch or something like that, where you might use glass beads or any type of sun reflecting, you know. Of course, for Easter, you could do Easter eggs. So, you know, just let your mind wander on the holidays, but you could do the same thing. I just, at the Dollar Tree, found a little styrofoam ring, but you could also use boxes. You could recycle Amazon boxes or Walmart boxes, cut little rings, and just glue them together to get a thickness of maybe a half inch to an inch. And then just cover it with some kind of greenery like I've done here. You could also have used the silver or gold or red tinsel. I just happened to have this, so I decided to use it. The story behind why I made it was I had these ornaments that were beautiful ornaments, but they were kind of a matte with velvet. And they just did not mesh well with the other things on my tree. And I still wanted to use them, so I decided to try this. And those ornaments are mixed with some cheap little silver, or little gold, I should say, not silver, little red and gold ornaments. So it's kind of a mixture here. You could even recycle old ornaments if you wanted to. But once I got that covered, I went ahead and just used fishing line and cut varying lengths of that, and took off the little gold hangers that came on the ornaments and replaced it with those fishing lines. And then I just started hanging them up at varying lengths behind me. And once I got them all done, then I will move to attaching them to the green ring that I made. One thing about the green ring that I did was, after I covered the ring itself, I did also stretch it across and make like a X in the middle, so that I would also be able to have something hang through the middle of that ring. You wouldn't have to do that. It's just something I wanted to do so that they weren't all in just a circle. So I will be right back once we get to that point. Okay, so once I got the little ring hung up, I had already adjusted my fishing line to varying lengths, but this is where you get to really see them hanging together, and you can pull that fishing line and adjust it and snip it off. I also used fishing line at the top there. I hung 4 pieces around the green ring and then brought them together in the center and tied a loop so that I had something to hang from. So it was cute, looking very cute, but I decided at the greenery to dress it up a little bit, so I had these little picks of pine with berries and teeny tiny pine cones. So I just started putting that around the bottom edge just to kind of finish off the ring itself. And then of course right in the center I had another one of the larger gold balls that I decided to put right up in the center to kind of finish it off, if you will. Since the very bottom ball was the large gold one, I just went ahead and tucked another gold one up into the center at the top, which you'll see at the end. And that is it. Again, I wanted to go ahead and share it just so you got the basic idea of what you could do. It doesn't have to be for Christmas. It could be any holiday or just something in a child's room or like on a sun porch or a deck. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye.